once again.
Thank you.
I got a call from Medley. I got a call from Tushar, and he told me that you have I would say, achieved what a lot of learners are trying to do. You got a job at Medley at a very good package. They have
Yes,
a
yes.
good package.
Yeah.
Awesome. So I think that's really good. Were you expecting this?
Initially, I was not expecting, because when interview were started, first technical interview was technical interview was there, and he asked me very in-depth concept. I was able to answer all the concept, but I was not sure that is it okay, is it sufficient answer. So then for the second interview, it was also technical interview. Today itself at 12 o'clock,
Yeah.
he took my interview, and also same kind of interview was there. At the end, he asked me about some informal questions regarding situation-based questions, and how you are going to react if your manager that kind of questions were.
Questions.
Yes, critical question, and he liked my answer. So he then he did not tell me about this, but Tushar called me and told me about that we are going further with your application, and we are interested in hiring you. Then how quick you will join? Then I said I am free. I can join tomorrow also. So he told me you join on Monday. I said okay. This was what happened in last 2 days.
Right. Good job. Really, really proud of you. I got some good feedback for you. I asked him as to why Vaibhavi, and I heard some good things, which I will tell you in due course of time. I just wanted to get on a call to make sure that you're up for this opportunity.
Yes.
And I also wanted to tell you that I have personally spoken to people from Medley. I know the kind of experience they come from. There are people who are from ThoughtWorks, there are people from Paytm, some really, really good leaders over there. So it's going to be an upward trajectory for you. You're going to learn a lot. This is going to change things for you. Like, believe me, such opportunities don't come your way every day. And I think you have done a brilliant job in placing yourself over there. So give yourself that pat, you deserve it. Is there anything you want to tell us before you get your offer letter?
One thing that when this journey was started, the learning, I have not thought that the freshers can get the package, not thing, but positions, because the position is also good. Associate front-end developer is position that I like the position. They also told me the working environment. They also asked me questions about the Grey Atom projects, and they were also impressed that what kind of project I have built and what kind of content that Grey Atom provide. No, personally, I liked one thing about the Grey Atom. Then when I was learning the entire from HTML to last React framework, there is no single thing that missed in the learning phase. They covered all the technical aspects, non-technical aspects, what industry wants, what should we improve, all the things. While I was in college, I was not aware about most of the things, how the industry works. That I got experience through while building the projects, while attending the career sessions and attending the industry expert sessions. That what I like about the Grey Atom is their approach towards the learning, because it makes interesting rather than learning the bookish knowledge. Learn by doing.
Yes, you have to learn by doing. Practice and you learn it. It's not just some codes and So I think that's good news. That's good takeaway for us. We are very happy to know that you've enjoyed your time here. If there are any special mentions, do let us know. If there's anybody in particular, Rohit was after your life, I'm sure.
Yes.
For all technical things.
Yes. Rohit sir was there through from the journey when I was enrolled in Grey Atom course at front-end development. He was always there. I am not saying that whatever the help I wanted, I asked him. there was so many times there was a study jam session was there. He was always there to help. He was any kind of problem he was there. Also, I have not missed a single the study jam session, which also helped me, and also career sessions. I have not missed any sessions, career sessions, and particularly I like everything about it because I started learning the new approach of learning. This one thing helped me to grab this offer, and I am giving all the credit to Grey Atom because I have no idea what I'm going to do after completing my graduation. Yes.
Abhi would say it's all you because you've put in the right amount of hard work, you've attended all your classes, you've done all your projects. If we were after your life, eventually it required you to really put in the efforts, complete all the tasks, and you've done that very well. So, Vaibhavi, good job there. Your words were very kind words, and it makes us really happy.
Log on to Grey Atom's learning platform to unlock more content. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.